Okay, so let's get back to this. First, we created a matrix A in Matlab, and second, we got it to the row reduced form. And now the question says that using Matlab, using the row reduced form of the matrix, find the number of pivots. Then, using the inbuilt Matlab rank function, verify that the rank of this matrix is equal to the number of pivots. So, let me zoom into this row reduced form of the matrix. This is the row reduced form of the matrix A which we have. So all the, as I mentioned before, all the non-zero, all the first non-zero entry, we will call that the leading entry, and they are called the pivot elements. So in the first row, if you see, it's the first non-zero entry would be 3. So this is the leading entry, and this is called the pivot element. And in the second row, the first non-zero entry would be 5, and this is the pivot element in the second row. And in the third row, we don't have any because it's filled with zeros. So these are the pivot elements, and the variables associated with the okay, so these are called the pivot elements, and the columns in which these pivot elements are present, they are called pivot columns, and the variables associated with these columns are called basic variables, and the others are called free variables. Now let me just split that up and explain. So as I mentioned, 3 is the pivot element here, and so as I mentioned in the second video, we are considering this column to be associated with x, this with y, and the third one this with z. So it's 3x plus y plus 2z equals 5. So, and the second row would be 0 times x plus 5 times y minus 5 times z equals 1. So this is how, and in the third row it will be 0x plus 0y plus 0z equals 0. So that's how this we got this. And yeah, so the variable associated with this, that is, which is x, and the variable associated with this is y, and with this is it is z, and the pivot, the elements are present in column number 1 and column number 2. The pivot elements are present here. So the variables associated with this, they are, that is x and y, they are called the basic variables, and the rest all are called free variables. And by rest I mean variable z, because we're dealing with 3 variables here. Now how do we calculate the rank of the matrix? What exactly is rank? Is basically the total number of pivot elements we've got, which is 3 and 5, which is 2, total is 2. So how do we calculate this in Matlab? So what do you do is, we have the inbuilt rank function. I type rank brackets A. So we are finding the rank of the matrix A. So this is what you write, rank brackets A, and let me click execute. Okay, so here we got answer 2. So from this we can verify. So according to what we have got and what we know, we the rank of the matrix was 2, and the rank according to the function which we used, which is the rank inbuilt rank function, from that we got answer as 2. So hence I think that was the question all about. We use the inbuilt rank function to verify that the rank of this matrix is equal to the number of pivots. So the number of pivots was 2 and the rank is 2. So yeah, so we are done for that. We have verified that the rank of the matrix is equal to the number of pivots. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope you gained something.